Today we are going to have beet salad. The ingredients are very easy, guys, very easy and very fast. The minute you get your visit guests in your home, then you're going to have the salad in a minute, okay? So, welcome to Tete's kitchen. Before, you have to roast the beets, cut in cubes, and roast 400 degrees, 25 minutes. If you like al dente, you can do 20 minutes. Oh, wow, let me tell you something. Today I have two special guests with me. My dear friends from Brazil, and they are visiting me, and I invite them today to be on the show with us. June, here, my dear friend from childhood, and Janae, her sister. I want you to start just cutting the apple for me, okay, in cubes. Then we are gonna add the apple here on the beets, okay? Juninha, come here. Tell me something about beets.
Beets are very beneficial. It's a root vegetable. You get the roughage from it, you get lots of benefit cardiovascular, lungs, immune system, lots of vitamins. It's almost, from my little research, it's almost a complete vegetable in the sense that you're getting just about everything you need on a daily basis.
Yeah. June is a nurse also. She knows a lot about the information about health and what is good for you or not. It's good in iron, isn't it? I heard it was good in iron.
And, vitamin B.
Yeah.
Vitamin B
okay.
Too.
So when most vegetarians, you guys were vegetarians when you grew up, right? So
the ovo, yeah.
Yeah. So you use a lot in your home and
yes, it is because it has such a good amount of roughage. And now you're going to add that apple too, so it gives you a good feeling of satiety.
Yes.
And it holds you over for a while. Okay. You know, it's a good salad to have in there. It takes a while to digest. So yeah, very fun.
All right, so we're going to start adding those things here. 1 lemon, and let's pour the lemon there.
So it's the juice of 1 lemon?
Yeah, juice of 1 lemon.
Do you want me to do some zesting?
Do the zest right here. Just a little bit so we can have some flavor, extra flavor. Great. How are you doing there, Janae?
Almost there.
Awesome. Yeah, you use the vegan mayonnaise, right? Yeah, because the rest is all vegan.
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Yeah. Now she's done. Let's put in here. It's very easy, guys, and so good. I ate in one of my restaurants. My favorite restaurants is in downtown DC. And I said, oh man, this is gonna be on my show. So once you're done, the other half of the lemon, I'm gonna squeeze here. And 1 spoon, that's 1. So we'll have just a little flavor. And
Hi, I am Carol. I fought breast cancer twice, when I was 29 and then when I turned 31. It was difficult, but made me stop to think about what really matters in life. First of all, my family, my daughter. My situation made me change my lifestyle and make it healthier. So I looked for a natural product, chemical-free, and I decided to use Nalani.
looks good. It's looking good. Yummy. We all gonna try later. Yeah. And then a little bit, just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. okay? Olive oil and salt to taste and pepper to taste. So if you don't like much pepper, you don't, but just a little bit black pepper. And we are done. We are done. When we serve, before we serve, we just use walnuts or Brazilian nuts they call? How they say? Brazilian nuts. Yeah. You cut the Brazilian nuts in 3 or 4 pieces and throw it here, or walnuts. It's my favorite in America. So once you've done that, that's it. That's your salad. Guys, this is being a hit in a lot of places. So we all done. Good. Now we are going to try the salad, okay? So 1 minute. All right, guys, in Brazil, we love to sing when we were kids. So now we're just gonna give you a little bit of taste of what we had when we were kids. The chico la, the chico chico ca, the chico chico la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Yes, you like it? Click subscribe to my channel, click like, share with your friends. And we're gonna try right now. You know what I like? The texture of the apple with the lemon and the beets. That's make the difference in this salad. Okay, guys, you know what? Next video, another surprise. Stay with me. Come here. When you cook with love, when you cook with friends, any recipe is gonna be a success. So try it. Get your friends. Stay in your house. Gather your friends and cook together. Love is cook. Take on the day. Bye.
Bye bye.
Chico, chico, chico.